So the problem that you might be having, and I'm not sure, is what I had a problem with at the beginning, and I'm hoping all of mine work. The ones I've scheduled and checked do work, but as you're adding things, if it is a, oops, I don't know why that's back there. If it is a link that you've added from the website, or from a website, then it should be good to go. But the problem I've had is when I'm doing a video of me teaching, I either have to upload it to YouTube, and then make sure that it's public, or I have to add it to my Google Drive and make sure that it's public. The way that you do that on Google is to make sure that it has a shareable link. And then also this whole slide that I made, if you come up here and it has the lock with the share, it means it's only private to you. The kids are not going to be able to access it, so you need to click and then make sure that it just says that people can view. And then you want to get the shareable link to make sure that people can view. I guess you didn't need to do that one. But up here, when you click the shareable link, you can pick if you want them to edit, to comment, or to view. We want our kids to view it, and then we click done. And now when you go into Seesaw and you make your activity, let's say that one was addition. It's not really ready for me to add, but I'm adding it here, and I want to go to my Google Drive, and I want this first one. Because we made it so that it's shareable, I also have to put that video of me teaching, so I can't really upload it yet. But if I was going to, then now it would be accessible for my kids, and then I would put whatever I wanted them to respond to, I would put here in the template section. When they are doing this activity, the kids are going to have to click on the picture, and then they're going to either click one of these. I told them to click View Original because in case they don't have a Gmail account, I don't know if you need to have one in order to click there, but when they click View Original, it'll pop up bigger, and then they're able to click on all of these, and it'll take them directly to that link. Okay, the hard part is going to be that they're going to have to go back on their screen to find that link again, and then they'll be able to click on the next activity as well. Okay, and then the same thing for you teaching. Click on it and it would take you to the video that you either uploaded to YouTube or to Google Drive. I think those are the only places that I know where to upload, and just making sure that that's public before you put it into your document. All right, I hope that works for you. Let me know if it doesn't. If it doesn't though, it's probably a Mike Lee question, because I don't know what else to do. But if it doesn't work for you, that means mine aren't going to work either, because that's what I've been doing. All right.